Hello everyone, this is Asghar Nazir. Today we will discuss about the arithmetic operators. Let me create a new package and let me create some files inside it to write the notes for you. So new and then package. So in this video we will be discussing about the arithmetic operators, what are they, why we need them, and how we can create one. So as far as the definition is concerned, arithmetic operators are nothing but symbols that we use to perform simple basic mathematical operations, like for example the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. This is just a fancy name, arithmetic operator. These are just simple math operations that we have been performing throughout our life. We have these symbols, and these symbols, they might look a little different from what you have been doing on your calculators or on your mobile phone. So for the division, we use this forward slash as the sign, and then for taking the remainder, we use this modulus sign. I will be explaining more about this modulus sign, so don't worry about it. So arithmetic symbols, they are arithmetic operators. They are simple symbols that we can use to perform some basic mathematical operations. Now, why we need them? We need them to write simple basic programs that handle the scenarios from day-to-day life. Like for example, if we are testing a website, a banking website, it might include a lot of calculations related to addition, subtraction, or multiplication. We also need these operations when we are building games or other softwares in our day-to-day life. So these are very important, and we must learn how to perform these simple and basic mathematical operations through any programming language. For this series we are using Java, so we must learn how to perform these simple mathematical operations using Java programming language. They are very important to perform any basic simple tasks in programming. How we can use them? It's very simple. We just write the numbers on which we want to perform these operations, and then we can run our code and we should see our output. For example, if I have to add two numbers, I can simply say in the printout statement, I can simply say 10 plus 10 and I will get the results. Let's do a demo, and then things will get more clear. So let me create a new class. So let's do the demo. So let's say, for example, I want to add two numbers. So what I can do, I can simply say 10 plus 10, and that's it. If I run my code, I should see my output that the result is 20. Let me do the same for the other operators as well. So here I'm doing the subtraction, multiplication, division, and then taking the modulus. So if I run this code, I should get 10 plus 10, 20. Let me comment this out. And for this one, I should get 0. So 10 subtracted from 10, 0, multiplied by 10, 100, divided by 10, 1, and then taking the modulus will be 0. I will be explaining more about the modulus operator. Don't worry about it for now. So let me run this code and let's verify the results. So yes, indeed, we get 20, 0, 101, and 0. Now this modulus operator is kind of a little different operator that what we have been using in our daily life. So this modulus operator is nothing. It's just it gives us the remainder. So those who understand it from the mathematics, if we are trying to divide a number by another number, we get two parts. We get the answer and then we get the remainder. So for example, let's say if I'm trying to divide a number 10 by, let's say, 3. So this number 3 cannot completely divide the number 10. So what will happen? As an answer for this question, I will be getting 3 as the answer. Now if I'm interested in the remainder part, what I can do, I can use the remainder, the modulus operator. So I can say 10 modulus 3, and this part will give me the remainder, which is 1. So 3 3s are 9, and then we get the answer as 3 and the remainder as the 1. So let me run this. So indeed I get 3 as the answer and then 1 as the remainder. Those who still don't understand, maybe because of these mathematics, you can think it like this. Let's say there are 3 friends and then 10 slices, and you want to divide those pieces equally in all of these friends. So now if you want to find out that how many friends will be, how many pieces each friend will get, you can use the division operator. So 3 pieces each friend, and if you want to find out how many pieces will be left after dividing the pieces equally in all of the friends, then you can use the modulus operator. So 3 modulus by 10 will give us 1, so 1 piece will be left and each friend will get 3 pieces of the pizza. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the alerts for all the videos. See you soon. Bye bye.